Hi there, folks. This is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialists. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com. That's truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. We do not put any pricing on YouTube. However, all of our prices are listed on our website. So if you have any price inquiries, please give us a call or jump over to our website. I will put a direct link to this particular RV in the description below. We are a full-service dealer. We do offer warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions on those, please give us a call at 419-899-2020 and ask for Luke or Levi. All right, folks, we are inside of this Pleasureway Excel TD. This is a 2005. Very beautiful, very clean coach to show you today. As always, I will start at the front, make my way towards the rear, then come back towards the front. Try to get you a couple different angles of the inside of this RV so you can get a feel for the overall space as well as the condition of this unit. We are a small family-owned dealership. My father started this in 1976. My brother and myself now run it. We're in a very small town. A couple things you will not get from us. You will not get any high pressure or pushy sales. You are welcome to take your time, spend a day, an afternoon, lounging, checking out any of our RVs that you'd like to spend some time in. We'll gladly go through them with you or without you. We'll demo them to your full content upon purchase. Got a single basin kitchen sink, 2-burner cooktop. Refrigerator is a 3-way, gasoline, 110 or 12 volt. Got our control center, water pump switch, battery, freshwater, black and gray water tanks. Remote start for the Onan 2800 generator, showing 92 hours. Switch for your hot water heater. Then we have your carbon monoxide / propane detector. And then pulling a 180 on you here. See my nice bright orange shirt and the reflection of this shiny microwave here. Grill to convection. This is a microwave / convection oven. Nice big wardrobe. The hangers up top there. This does come with 2 tables. The oval table is there. 2 table legs. The little round table is tucked in behind the driver's seat there. Pleasureway wet bath. A little nicer in most people's opinion than the Road Trek. It's in a confined space. Toilet, shower, sink all in one, but you can actually close the door. You have a dedicated space to clean up and do your business in here. Rooftop air conditioning unit, coffee maker, thermostat for the propane furnace. This is what I call the twin bed model. So we can sleep one person on either side. If you're getting tired of your wife kicking you or significant other kicking you in the middle of the night, you can each sleep on your own side. You can also, underneath this cushion here, there's some boards. We can fill this gap and make a ginormous bed in the back of this unit if you're the type that does still prefer to cuddle. Overhead cabinetry all the way throughout. Again, as with most of the Pleasureways, we've got the maple flavored cabinetry. Nightstand in between the 2 beds if you prefer to use the twin bed. Cushions, carpet, fit and finishes all still look very, very nice. Wood's all in good shape. Samsung flat screen TV, DVD player above. Flip up countertop if you need a little extra space when you are cooking. Why couldn't the tiny pony sing? Because he was a little horse. Fantastic fan on the ceiling. Propane furnace. These pleasure ways are by far one of our better sellers. Being the wide body, you get a little extra room back here. Like I said, you've got that bathroom that is a dedicated space. You're not showering it in the aisle like the Road Treks. Looks like we've got a little mark on the cabinet there. My personal opinion, taking into age, mileage, what should be considered normal wear and tear on a unit of this age, this one is, in my opinion, is very clean. I'd rate it probably that 8 to 9, maybe a little over 9. Nice clean unit. I'm not sure exactly what happened there. It appears that somebody may have had something laying on the dash that kind of vibrated and left a line on the dash there. Both front seats are still in very good shape. All the amenities, power locks, windows tilt, cruise, CD player. Fully loaded up. If you have any questions on this one, give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976. All right, folks, I'm going to give you a little rundown of the outside of this unit. We are 20.5 feet from bumper to bumper. The tires were new in October of 2015. We have an 11.5 foot awning. This is the Excel TD floor plan. Touchdown. It's nice and bright blue for the Lions. Go Lions. 2 vents for the refrigerator. Coach battery. Vent for your propane furnace. Couple of exterior outlets. A nice big storage compartment. You can fit a couple of cases of beer in here to drown out the sorrows of the Lions losing. This one does not have a tow package. I repeat, it does not have a tow package. As you can see there in the top corner, it is the E350 platform. Vent and access to your hot water heater. We're going to fill our onboard water tank right here. A little bit smaller storage compartment. Sewer hose storage. Exterior shower. Gasoline tank, city water connection, cable TV connection. Going to hook up our shore power cord here. Your propane tank, valves for your black and gray tanks. Last but not least, your Onan 2800 gasoline generator.